Thank you for visiting National Gear Repair. Here we have a link belt gearbox that we got in that needs repair work. Please stay tuned and take a look at our step-by-step process on how I repair our gearboxes.
Thank you for taking the time out to watch our videos here at National Gear. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. As you've seen in the step-by-step video tutorial, this was a leak belt for a Imaco pasta maker, and had catastrophic bearing failure, shaft failure. I believe the bearing seal areas had to be resealed, reground, chrome, as you clearly saw. The inside diameter of the gear had been rebuilt, refurbished, reconditioned, and dressed all gearing. And now we're doing the testing here. We filled with oil. We're testing, what are we testing at right now? About 1200 RPM? About 12 or 1300 RPM right now to make sure